This runway is a solid Conrock base. The plane can't go down, can't go up. This switch controls the lights at the back of the enclosure. When the translucent front wall is up, the lights will backlight the plane, casting its silhouette on the wall, so you can see the plane right up to the moment it vanishes. The plane is locked into place. It'll be surrounded by a human chain, 50 spectators linked together. The spectators are being blindfolded to protect the secret of the illusion. This shot won't cut away. You'll see it as if you were there, with absolutely no camera trace.
Believe it. If I'm sitting at home, I could think of some way to get out of it. But I was right here, and there's no way that plane could have left.
It's just amazing.
What happened to the airplane?
I don't know. It went.
It went.
How did you feel?
It was thrilling. It was shocking.
Yeah.
I got chills.
What did you think when they dropped and you took down your blindfold and it was gone?
It was incredible. Absolutely incredible.